let me give you guys some game. When it comes to, and this is simple, right? When it comes to the digital marketing, right? If you are a company who don't have no followers, no engagements, no nothing, the first thing, and this is what they don't tell you, the first thing you want to do, and it's probably the hardest thing, is getting your followers up, getting your engagements up. These things are so important, right? For any business, right? So the thing is this: when you're doing advertising, let's say we're doing Facebook, because that's what I specialize in. I do TikTok, I do Instagram. I love Facebook. I'm not gonna lie. Here's my thing. It's very simple. You run advertisements to find your target audience, right? This is called brand awareness or traffic ad, right? After you find your target audience, you engage with these people, right? It's like high school. You're just communicating with the people who like you. That's it. But also, one thing that a lot of businesses mess up on is retargeting, right? This is where a lot of people just, for some reason, they don't do it, right? The small businesses, big businesses, they already figured this stuff out, right? So you retarget the same people who like your product or service. When you retarget those people, you're basically asking them to subscribe to a subscription. Here's a discount on something, right? You're giving them something for them to take action. This is the most simplest way I think I can put it, right? You do that and then watch. Just watch. Give it some time. Watch what happens. You get it? Be Premier.